The Korean Center in San Francisco is a nonprofit organization that offers a variety of programs, which include King Sejong Institute Korean language programs, senior programs, social services, youth enrichment programs, and community cultural events. Today we're going to be visiting a Korean cooking class where we'll learn how to make kimchi.
My name is Donna. I am the Communication and Development Associate here at KCI, and I've been working for the Korean Center for about 2 years now.
And please introduce KCI.
Sure. So KCI, or the Korean Center, is a nonprofit organization, and our mission is to basically, promote Korean culture and provides workshops and events so that people can learn more about different aspects. And it's one of our goals is to kind of bring together the Korean community here in the Bay Area and provide a space where, maybe Korean Americans can kind of explore their heritage, or just, people who aren't Koreans who just want to learn more about it.
And why and how was it founded?
So KCI actually, it was founded in 1974, so this is our 50th year anniversary. And the mission was originally focused more on kind of giving Korean immigrants a place where they could get some job training or learn English. But nowadays we see less and less of that need, so we kind of shift more towards the cultural aspect.
And what are some events KCI hosts?
We have a lot of different events. So we've done bojagi, which is like a traditional Korean gift wrapping. We've done makgeolli workshops, more cooking workshops. We've done like solar celebrations, a Korean calligraphy workshop. So it ranges. We have art workshops, but our biggest event, I would say, is the Chuseok Festival.
And how does KCI contribute and impact Korean community in that sense?
I think it's a great space for people to kind of come together. At many of our workshops, I think we have a variety of people. They come and they say like, oh, it's such a great opportunity to kind of learn more and meet other people who have similar interests.
And KCI hosts many events, but among them, Chuseok event is most memorable. So how did Chuseok event start?
Chuseok started in 2019. And so one of our supporters, she's actually from New York, where they have a bigger Korean community. And she grew up there going to Chuseok festivals. So when she moved here, she saw that the Korean community is kind of spread out, and we don't really have like a single space or a single event where people can kind of come together and gather. So she came to the Korean Center and she kind of proposed starting this festival so that we can all, celebrate Chuseok, because it's such a huge holiday for, Koreans. So she came to us, and, KCI loved the idea, and then we started Chuseok, and it's been going on since then. Yeah.
And lastly, for students like us, there's the KCI Teen Program every year. Could you introduce the program?
Yeah, so the Teen Summit, we just started last year, and it's really a chance for, high school students like yourself to kind of, again, meet other Korean Americans and learn more about, Korean culture. And it's a great chance to meet. So we bring in a lot of speakers who are Korean American who have, kind of developed their career. So it's a really great chance to hear from these speakers and learn more about their career progression. So just to kind of learn about those professional opportunities, I believe it's a really great chance for high school students like yourself. Yeah.
KCI는 한인 사회에 어떤 기여를 하나요?
저희는 현재 다양한 문화 프로그램과 행사들을 통해서 이제 한국 문화와 유산을 탐구할 수 있는 공간을 조성하고 제공하며 이제 샌프란시스코 베이 지역뿐만이 아니라 한인 사회를 뛰어넘어 이제 커뮤니티 간의 연결을 할 수 있는 그런 거를 꿈꾸고 있습니다.
KCI의 일원인 기분은 어때요?
굉장히 특별하다고 할 수 있을 것 같습니다. 저도 이제 미국에 온 지 얼마 안 되는 이민자로서 이제 처음에 이제 코리안 센터의 초창기 시작이 그랬듯이 이민자들의 정착을 도우기 위해 시작한 것처럼 사실 저도 이제 입사한 지 한 1년 반 정도가 돼가고 있는데요. 그동안 이제 다양한 프로그램을 제공을 하고 이제 코리안 랭귀지 프로그램 등을 통해서 다양한 사람들을 만나면서 이제 굉장히 특별한 경험을 매 순간 하고 있다고 말씀드릴 수 있을 것 같습니다.
Overall, KCI provides a welcoming community for Korean Americans, those interested in Korean culture, a gathering space for celebrations, and a platform for collaboration. Its impact ripples out, strengthening not only the Korean community, but also contributing to the rich multicultural fabric of San Francisco.